good, man? It's your boy Seanio, and we back with another video, man. Make sure y'all do like the video, subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 20K. Nonetheless, as y'all can tell by today's title and thumbnail, it's currently drizzling / raining outside. It's on and off, but I got 0 tires. My tires is bald. I was at the track drifting last weekend, and I just ain't feel like putting my new tires on. If y'all know, I do like to drift. If y'all want to check out some videos, just go through my little page and y'all can see me drifting and stuff. But yeah, I drift the automatic Hellcat, by the way. It's automatic. If y'all want me to teach y'all how to slide, let me know, because I do get a lot of inquiries like, yo, can you teach me how to slide? Can you teach me how to slide? Bro, you just got to get in your car and do it, bro. Like, you just got to get in your car and swing that motherfucker. Send it, bro. But we are at the gas station, by the way. We had to come get gas because y'all know the Hellcat takes gas. Every single day, you're gonna be at the gas station if you daily drive a Hellcat. And it took $55 to fill up my tank, as y'all can see. But yes, if you do daily drive a Hellcat, it will take gas every day, and the gas station will become your best friend. Let me know how y'all liking the red lights, bro. Let me know. Y'all liking the red lights? Let me know how y'all liking the red lights. But just a quick little 360 of the car, as y'all can see. Bro, I gotta start doing that, bro. Sometimes I be driving and I be forgetting that my license plate be blacked out. And I can't risk getting pulled over like that, because, you know, that's a felony to hide your license plate and have like a plate that go on and off. That's a felony. So technically I'm not supposed to have that, but I kind of get a little bit of leeway just because I am a content creator and I do videos for y'all, so they give me a little bit of leeway with it. I just got to make sure that it's off at all times. When I mean off, that means the plate is showing at all times. Mind you, I got bald tires, y'all, so technically I'm not supposed to be outside in the rain while it's wet, but I like to slide, bro. So it's like, you know what I'm saying, like, if we get sideways, we get sideways. Should I go on the highway or should I just stay on like the back roads? Let me see. I'll try to do the back roads for you. That way I can like slide more. Oh God, it's going crazy. But Red Bull, fly with wings, man. This rain is crazy. I got one hand, y'all, by the way, so y'all bear with me. I got one hand. We finna go ahead and oh my God, it's raining crazy right now, bro. Bro, this is so bad, bro. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home, bro. This is all done by a professional. This is all done by a professional, y'all. Go ahead and put it in manual. Ooh! Oh, I can't see. Let me wipe the windows. Woo! This is the type of weather I like. If you got a Hellcat, bro, and you don't go drive in the rain, you crazy, bro. This is the type of weather I like when you got a Hellcat. Y'all, it is raining crazy bad right now, y'all. Like, look, I'm gonna roll the window down. I'm gonna get wet for y'all.
Hold up, pause.
God. Yo, it looks, oh my God, yo. Bro, it's raining crazy, bro. I'm gonna go slide some turns though. I wanna go slide. We're gonna go slide some turns, y'all. We got ball tire. We're in third gear. Third gear is crazy, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I have yet to like learn how to slide in third gear. I'm a little scared of third gear. Third gear, that's where I crashed my car at, bro. I'm gonna learn it though one day. Will today be the day? No. No. Today will not be the day. All right. Let's drop a gear. Brake. Well, that's too narrow. Hold on. Woo! Ooh-hoo-hoo! Oh shit! Oh shit! It's a great day to be a Hellcat owner. It's a great day to be a Hellcat owner, bro. Y'all, do we stop traffic to go slide in this neighborhood? We're going to stop traffic to go slide in this neighborhood. We have to. We have to. We have to. We have to stop traffic to go in this neighborhood, bro. We got to, bro. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. It's a lot of cars. All right, we're going to wait for this truck to go, then we're going to go. We're going to slide in this neighborhood, yeah. All right, come on, let's go, let's go. We just held up traffic, bro. Woo, we got that tune on too, by the way. All right. We got that tune on too, by the way. Which way you go? This way? Ooh. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right. Bro, I love it here, bro. I love it here, bro. Yo, they got a cul-de-sac back here. Oh, they got a cul-de-sac. Y'all know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is. Oh, we're one wheel peeling. Hold on. Woo! Woo! All right, let's get out of here, bro. Bro, that was fun. 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 That was fun, bro. That was fun. I love the rain, bro. It's a great day to be a Hellcat owner, bro. It's much easier to slide when you got two hands. You know what I'm saying? We only got one. We only got one, so y'all gotta bear with me. Oh, they're turning with me? Wait, hold on, no, wait. Who's this? All right, now, hold on, y'all, hold on, bro. Oh, that's just the mailman. All right, bet, we good. This is like the good people neighborhood, and I'm just finna cause a lot of noise. It's a cop that lives in this neighborhood. Say swear. The sheriff? Yo! Yo! Nah, I gotta get out of here, bro. That is crazy, bro. Would that be gangsta if I mungee down the street in front of the sheriff? In front of, bro, imagine sliding in front of the sheriff's crib, bro. Ooh, I just did that shit, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. We don't need the sheriff cutting his lights on, though. I got y'all. For y'all, all right? Because I love y'all, all right? So make sure, if you're liking the video so far, if you're watching right now, make sure y'all like the video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, bro. Subscribe if you're new right now. And I'll clear this cul-de-sac right now. I'll clear it again right now, just for y'all. Just for y'all, bruh. Just for y'all, bruh. Just for y'all, bruh. I just cleared it, bro. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. We're on ball tires, by the way. See how much easier I could with two hands, bro? I just need two hands, bro. And I could go crazy, bro. Oh, this is private property. That is tough, but it's a lot of open space. I ain't gonna lie. It's just a lot of... Yo, I'm so good at this, bro. Oh, he got a charger. Woo! Alright, we gonna head out this neighborhood, man. The rain's stopping though, y'all, so this video is coming to a close. Cause the rain is stopping. The rain is stopping, so this video is coming to a close. The kids was watching. Bro, I really know how to get sideways, bro. No, I gotta do a tutorial teaching y'all how to slide, bro, because this is fun, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, y'all will enjoy this, bro. Safe environments only, though, y'all. Do not put nobody in harm's way, please. Stay away from them takeovers, all that stuff. I'm not responsible for no damages of anybody. Yo, listen, if y'all enjoyed today's video, make sure I give it a big thumbs up, man. I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one, bro. And let me know if y'all want that tutorial. Let me teach y'all how to slide. Because I do that, that's easy. I give y'all all the sliding tutorials, bro. So let me know if y'all want them videos. I'll drop them videos for y'all, because a lot of people do be asking me to teach them how to slide, especially on the track. The way I be sliding on the track, bro, people don't know how I do it, but it's so simple. Like, it's literally so simple, bro. Mind you, my car is all stock. The only thing I have on my car is a tune, but that's it. All right, just a tune. And I could drift like that on the track, on the real drift track. So let me know if y'all want them videos. And yeah, I'm gonna just do it in segments, teaching y'all how to better and better yourselves. But I am finally starting my clothing brand. I did have one back in 2020. However, I stopped. I didn't really know how to run the brand. It was more so, I was basically running a nonprofit, bro. But yeah, I know how to run a brand now. I know how to do everything the right way, correctly. So I will be doing pre-orders, and no, I will not have y'all orders for 5 months, 6 months, 7 months. As soon as I drop, I close the site, or I keep the site open, however I want to do it. I do the pre-orders. I order the shit. As soon as it come in, it gets shipped off to y'all. No BSing. I'm gonna keep y'all updated every step of the way. For those who order, the link will be down below to my clothing brand Instagram. So make sure y'all go give that a follow on Instagram. So yeah, with that being said, I'll see y'all guys in my next one. Peace. 5, 6, 7, 8.